हाय, मेरा नाम आकाश यादव है। ये दो मेरे कलीग्स हैं, संचित सामंत और तुषार डोंगरे। मार्केट में एक न्यूली लॉन्च कंप्यूटर आया है, उसका नाम है रास्पबेरी पाई।
This is Raspberry Pi. This is a product which is newly launched in the market. Now my friend Akash will show you how to connect it. First, take the keyboard wire and connect it. Then take the mouse wire and then connect it. Then cable, then TV connection wire connect कीजिए. फिर आपकी रेगुलर वायर कनेक्ट कीजिए. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, इसमें नॉर्मल कंप्यूटर्स जैसे ही फीचर्स हैं. एग्जाम्पल, एक्सेसरीज, एजुकेशन, इंटरनेट, प्रोग्रामिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स, साउंड एंड वीडियो. आज मैं आपको इसमें एक सॉफ्टवेयर चला के दिखाने वाला हूँ जिसका नाम है स्क्रैच. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, ये एक बेसिक प्रोग्रामिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है. इसमें आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर को अपने मर्जी के मुताबिक चला सकते हैं, दौड़ा सकते हैं, बुलवा सकते हैं, कुछ भी करा सकते हैं अपने मन मर्जी. जैसे कि आपने देखा, मेरा दोस्त आकाश इस कैट को अपने मन मर्जी के तरह चला रहा है. ऐसे ही कई सॉफ्टवेयर्स इस रास्पबेरी पाई में उपलब्ध है. इसको चलाने के लिए आपको एक कीबोर्ड, एक माउस, एक टीवी और एक मोबाइल फ़ोन चार्जर की ज़रूरत है. इसे आप कहीं पर भी लेके जा सकते हैं. धन्यवाद.
Friends, we are here today, assembled at the Nav Samaj School at Ville Parle East, and we've just started, and we are halfway through a book distribution project where we are distributing 30,000 books. When we say we are talking about the Rotary Club of Bombay Worli, and we have with us some of the recipients of the books that we are distributing at this project. We have with us Mrs. Sarita Jadhav from?
I am from RHT School, Kamagali Ghatkopar West.
Okay, ma'am, can you just tell us a little bit about what you thought of our project?
Actually, the books which I found were knowledgeable for all the levels, and especially for pre-primary section, I got books. They were like playway method, activity based, and which were very useful for our section.
Okay, is this the first year that you have come here for the book?
This is the third year I am coming over here. Yeah, nice feedback I saw rather than last year, I would say.
Okay, so what the feedback was, this year's project is better than the last year and the one previous to that where she has attended. Thank you, Mrs. Yadav. We hope that we'll see you again next year.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Mrs. Suvarna Roy. I'm from ST Mehta English Medium School, Ghatkopar.
And is this the first time you have come?
Yeah, my school, other colleagues have come many a times, but I have come for the first time.
And that's even better. What is your first impression of this?
I think it's a very great job being done. Like, it's a good social service. Many kids, like from different schools who do not get such books, they will be able to read these books, and it will be a great opportunity for them.
But considering that they have come from abroad, do you see much value to these books in our current curriculum?
Maybe not in totality, but many chapters are there which are similar. So, and abroad they go quite deep. Here I feel certain topics are quite superficial. So if the kids, at least the kids who are good at learning or who are interested, they can go through these books and they will be
So you're happy that you have come over here and you have got these books, right? And you reckon that your students will be much more knowledgeable than the other children. Yeah. And will you be coming next year, or would you be looking forward to coming next year, or would
Yeah, I
you
definitely
send
look forward.
someone else?
No, I definitely look.
You want to
Yeah,
come?
yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Will you tell your name and the school that you have come from?
Yeah, I'm Dr. Lata Venkatraman, the principal of Mohinder Singh Kabul Singh Degree College of Arts and Commerce. It is located in Kalyan West.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we are affiliated to the University of Mumbai. We have courses that lead to the degree of Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce. Then,
It's a school come college.
yeah, actually the the charitable trust runs a lot of institutions. We have a pre-primary school, we have a primary school, we have a junior college of arts, science and commerce, and we also have a degree college which is affiliated to University of Mumbai.
Very good.
And I happen to head that college.
Very good. Very good. Is this the first time you're coming?
Yeah, this is the first time I'm coming to the Rotary Club exhibition. Before that, we've had books donated by the American Center.
Okay. And good. So you have an experience of the other club projects. Yeah. So what did you think of our club project?
This is a wonderful project because the one that I attended before, those were books that were actually withdrawn by the library. So there were some books that were useful to us and some that were not so useful. Whereas here I find almost all the books, as a principal I can tell you, almost all the books are useful for some students, somebody. Maybe at the primary level or the degree or junior. In fact, there are a lot of books of general interest. And then I also happen to be a voracious reader. So I can see there are a lot of general interest books and things where, a small project. You'd probably be giving a research project and you don't find books. These are lovely books that you have, and I want to thank Rotary Club for organizing such a lovely event, and all of you volunteers have done so much hard work.
Thank you
God
very
bless
much,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Please, we hope to see you again next year and the year after, because we've been having this project for last 15 to 17 years. And every year we have, and we have it at different locations. But for last 2 years we have been having at this location. So now most of the people know, most of the schools know.
Actually, I came to know only because I got an invitation from you.
Exactly. We have sent about 3,000 invitations to 3,000 schools from within Bombay and around Bombay. So, yes, in and around Bombay.
Happy that you bothered to,
Yes. No. If we have so many books, 50,000 books to be given away, we certainly want lots of people to come and avail of this opportunity. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah, I also thank you very much.
Welcome. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm Netra Nairi from Rotary Club of Bombay Worli. And we're looking after this book project. We have been doing this for last 15 years. And as a recipient, we would like to know your views about this. Can you tell your name and from which school or college you are from?
I am Dr. U.B. Jangam, principal of Govili College. It's near Kalyan, on Kalyan Murbad route. It's a degree college. We are having about 2,400 students and about 47 teachers. And when I came to know about this project, I was extremely happy because we wanted to know what books are there in this project and how we can make use of this opportunity.
Right.
So I thought let us visit personally.
Good.
That's why I came
Very good.
with my two teachers. And in the beginning when I saw the books, I initially thought, Arey, these are all general books. They are not related to our curriculum of Mumbai University and all that. But later on, when I went through the particular books, then I found several excellent books in general about English, then science, medicine and all that. So I could select about 60 books, one for our college and about our Khardi college. We are having two colleges.
Where
So
is this Khardi College?
Khardi is near Kasara.
I see.
Both are run by Jeevandip Shaikshanik Samstha, Poi.
Oh.
And Ghodwinde sir is our president. And I came to know about this from Dr. Guru, who is the principal at Mahad College.
I see. So he got an invitation, is
Got
it?
the invitation, he communicated to me, and then we decided immediately to visit this on the very first day so that we can see a lot of books.
Maximum books.
Yeah.
And so now, obviously, this is your first year. So your name will be, your college name will be on our mailing list. So that next year when we have this project again, because we've been holding this for last 15 to 17 years. So obviously next year also we'll have, and we'll have every year we improvise on the books as well. So collection. So
Moreover, we are associated with Dombivli East Rotary Club,
I see.
and we have this year conducted about 3 activities. So this last Sunday was only we had one program. There also I came to know about this. Then I thought it's a good opportunity for us, and why not utilize it?
Thank you very much for coming, and I hope all the books are of great use to you. And do come again next year. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.